Hazur, the question is that in the recent summit between the Pakistan's President Parwez Musharraf and Indian Premier Atal Bajpai, it failed. And Hazur was asked on this issue in the past.
They were bound to fail. Right from the beginning, I had told my family members, it's impossible, they cannot find a solution which is acceptable on both sides of the border. This morning, a statement was issued by Government of India that Kashmir is a tongue of India. No negotiation on this issue. So it was bound to fail. It was done only under American pressure, but it will not succeed. I think ultimately they have to go to war. They'll perhaps have a war with each other.